So today, everybody, I'm fixing my faucet. It looks like this. This is the new version. And I was going to show y'all what I had to go through because it was actually kind of difficult. The most difficult part was getting these off. And I'm going to show y'all underneath what I had to go through. And I haven't got them all the way off, but I just wanted to show y'all. So right now we in here. Dang, let's pull that off. Hope not. Anyway, so I just wanted to show y'all what I was doing. These ones is really hard to get off. And right now you can see that I haven't even started this one. Tried to turn it literally with all my might, no lie. Like I cannot turn it. I got that one off. That's for the sprayer. See, you can see that one. I can show you, we're gonna go through it together, how I'm gonna get all this off. And then this one, I end up getting it off. So I was trying to turn it like this, but it was hard. Super hard, and you know what I'm saying, going on YouTube, like where I'm posting it today. Tried it, you know what I'm saying, some people said cut the mountain thing, you know, whatever, but it wasn't working for me. You know, I was trying with all my might, try to put oil, whatever, tried to figure out how to try to cut it. I was using a drill, tried to put a hole in it. It didn't work. And so I was going to show y'all how I got this one loose. I'm going to do it to this one and see if it's true. So I'm going to test my own theory. Here, look, like this one. Got it off. All right. So now we on this side, right? We just got that one off. And what I was doing, I was trying to, you know, do a while like this or something, trying to turn those little grooves. It didn't work. But what I did, I kind of went around it, put it on the highest thing you can. Here, let me focus up here. And I turned it on the outside. Hold on. See, it's not working right now. Hold on. So, my theory is, instead of trying to use the grooves, go on the outside and turn it. But right now, I can't use one hand. Hold on. All right, so I ended up getting it tight, unloosened on that side by getting it like that. And it's been working pretty well. So I'm gonna see if I can let y'all see that I kind of got it loose. Let's see if I can go like that. All right, I'm gonna check this video and make sure y'all can see it. But I'm not gonna do it all the way until I see if y'all can see. Hold on. I'm gonna get it a good turn here. And get on the outside. See, it's turning now. Get on the outside part. Kind of got to get around that dang on pipe because it's in the way for sure. See, get it like that. I'm looking faulty right now. Hold on. I don't know if y'all seen that. I turned it. Hold on. I'm just saying, if you just got a pipe wrench and you ain't trying to go to the store and go buy no expensive tool like they recommend, shoot, this might be it for you right here. So, all right, let me see if y'all can see. All right, for the most part, y'all can see it. By the way, this is my first time actually changing the faucet. No cap. Like, this is my first time, so y'all going through with me changing this faucet. I know y'all might be able to sound a little weird or whatever, but yeah, this is my first time changing one. And I was like, dang, I'm over here trying to look up videos, whatnot. I'm like, dang, I finally got it. I thought it was gonna be simple, you know what I'm saying? Turn this screw, be done. Yeah. Good turns on it, man. See? I don't know if y'all see that. It's getting it done. It's getting it done. Look at there. Got that Johnny off. Oh yeah. Don't mind this looks dirty, but it pushed out, so I'm just gonna unscrew it from here. So pulled that out, unscrewed that. It's all good. Let's see how I'm gonna get it on. I think I'm gonna take this rubber piece off here. Take that off. This. So it says remove that cap from here. New one. Remove all the dirt. Place it in the 4th hole. Make sure you remove the mounting cap because I obviously did not. It's like that now. So now I am mounting the mounting cap on there. They say hand tighten. It's securely mounted. It's tight. Not moving nowhere. They're telling me to push the sink through underneath the thing from the sprayer. So you have to remove that cap from here and connect the hose together. And again, now I'm gonna put some silicone on that before I screw these in. Silicone I'm using from Menards. Got it like that. Keep the silicone on the bottom. No reason I had a zip tie on there. We'll figure out later why, I guess. So now under here, we're gonna put the mounting caps that was giving us so much trouble down here, hand tighten. So that's how it's looking now. Hopefully that's good. We're gonna test it out and see. So now I'm gonna attach the water lines there. Well, unfortunately, I put my hot on my left side and my cold on my right. So yeah, just be aware of what you got down here. So that's how I kind of got everything looking now. Hand tightened, but I have the red going on my across, and then I got the cold going across. So all right, let's see if it works. I'm gonna tighten them all up and see how it works. My reaction to turning the water on. Here we go. It'll be embarrassing if it. There, 1, 2, turned it on. So we got all that together. Let's see what happens. Check for any leaks. Well, where's the light? Hold on. Let me make sure. Y'all see any leaks? Hold on. I don't see no leaks. Comment if y'all see any leaks, but I don't. You want to check the swivel? All good. Sprayer. Sprayer good. W's. Water, cold water. Any leaks? No leaks. GG's. To the trash you go.